still a little bit miffed at you.
Well, what done?
Well, remember when we did that race over at Mill End, and they had a rally class. They did a rally race.
Yeah.
But it was 1/10 rally.
1/10 rally.
Yeah, and I was running my PG Tips car. I like my PG Tips car.
Yeah.
But the cars that were beating me were the Rlaarlo cars.
You can't say that because someone didn't like you when you said that.
Said what?
When you said that Rlaarlo. They said it was annoying.
They said it was immature.
Yeah, I know.
Anyway,
Yeah.
they were flying around that track. And when you didn't even bring yours, I could have run that. I only had this one.
You didn't ask me, did
Well,
you?
I had this one. That's not 1/10. It's too little. And some people say that your one's too big. They need to sort it out, boss.
So yours is a little one. Mine is a big one. You need a bigger one.
I want one that big.
You want one this big?
Do you know what? I like Subarus as well. I like my Rally.
Yeah.
This is the Rlaarlo.
You can't do that. They don't like it. They get the right ump, mate. I have to keep deleting messages because of you. Yeah, it's the Rlaarlo little car, yeah?
It's too little. I want a bigger one.
That in half quick though, isn't it? That's ridiculous.
It's rapid. Thing. It's well fun.
It's probably too fast for its own good. What's that? Give it to me. Rlaarlo, it says on it. Hello there. Rlaarlo, it's been a long time. How are you doing? You good? Yeah, I'm still working with him. Yeah, I've told him that. I know. Yeah, I think he did. Yeah, he went to the doctors. No, they did sort it out. Yeah, I'll tell him. Why are you ringing, my friend? You got a what? They got a new car out.
What is it?
What is it? It's a rally car.
Is it too big?
Is it too big or too little? He said it's just right. Yeah, in the UK, yeah. 1/10 mainly. Yeah, I know. The little one was good. The other one was a bit too big. Yeah. All right. Okay. They said we can have it as long as you don't drive it, because you smash things up. Leave it to me. Look. Yeah. I won't let him have it. That's fine. Yeah. All right. When are you going to send it? Now? How are you going to do it? Okay. I'll tell him. All right. I love you too. Bye. They said they're going to send it right now.
Happy days. Do we need to make space for it?
We need to make space for it. They're going to do it like they normally do it, because you see, Rlaarlo, they're a bit magic.
They are magic. They are proper magic. They are.
They said they'll magic it here, just like they always
just
do.
Here.
Just here. Not here. Just here.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey!
They still got it, haven't they?
Now, what have we got here then? It looks like,
it's a Subaru.
A Subaru. Or it's people.
It's not a Subaru.
It's a Subaru.
It's
but
not, because it's a
Rlaarlo.
Rlaarlo. Is it a Rlaarlo? Is it a Subaru? You're allowed to call it a Subaru?
I like it when they do
it's
that.
It's Subaru styling, but it's got the Rlaarlo on it.
Yeah, all right. And it's
what did you do with a knife? I need to get in this box.
I don't know. Hang on, look, it says it's an XTS S10 4-wheel drive alloy brushless 50 to 80 kmh 1/10 scale Rlaarlo rally car. Looks nice. Get it out of the box. Come on.
I'm happy. Well, you got the knife.
It's over there. It's over there.
Extremely happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a few things that make me happy.
Go on then.
The other day I went to get a massage.
Ah, yes.
And it didn't
start. Are you allowed to talk about this massage on there?
I forgot where it was for a minute. Sorry, carry on. Go on.
Yeah.
That was lucky, wasn't it?
That was lucky. No one wants to hear about your massage.
The beginning one is... Forget it. Go on, carry on.
It's got stickers, boss. Look at those.
Stickers, the old... Oh, look at that. You got your stickers on there. You got your stickers on there. What you got there? You got your...
wheel arches.
Wheel arches. Wheel arches?
Wheel arches.
Okay. You got your wheel arches. What else you
We've
got?
got some Velcro-y strappy bits.
Right, you've got your Velcro straps. You've got another pinion in there, probably the high-speed pinion. You've got some gaskets for the diffs. A charger, or a charging lead, I should say. What else you got in there?
Got a new radio.
You've got a new
Slightly
radio.
different design too.
It's just like that phone I was on.
No, it's not. Slight different design.
Let me have a look at that. Let me have a look at that. You know, it's got a thumb controller built into that.
Nice.
Quite good. Nice, yeah. Now, I wouldn't class this as an unboxing, right?
No.
More about we call it a little look. This is a little look. If you want an unboxing, you go to unboxing.com.
Tommy Tit.
Tom Tit RC, Tom Lee RC. Go to him. Now listen. I'm into my ASMR. You know that, right? So Lee, here we go. Ready? Here we go. That looks nice.
That does look amazing.
Now, we haven't got the stickers on it. You get the stickers with it. So, you know, if you're having in the UK here, the weather's not so great. So maybe, you know, when the wife's watching the old EastEnders and that on the TV, you can pull your car up and you can sit next to the wife. Do you sit next to your wife sometimes?
Tend not to be honest. No.
That's a real shame.
It is.
You know, you've got to keep the marriage alive, boss. I don't know what I was going on about there. Let's have a look at the car. Right.
It's got good.
It's nice, isn't it?
I like it. I'm loving it.
Yeah,
I like the
that.
little
I
men
like
in
that.
there.
I like that.
It's me and you, boss.
Me and you, look. You're driving.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
I'm a better driver than you.
What have we got there?
Gyro button.
There you go.
We've got a lamp button. We've
Oh,
got
yeah.
a gyro button.
Yeah.
We've got steering dual rates. And we've got throttle endpoint adjust, so you can adjust the speed. It says,
What does it say?
50 kilometres an hour, I think it says.
What's that in MPH?
30 mile an hour.
Right, isn't it?
Quick maths.
But it's very similar to most of the other cars, which is good because they are brilliant.
Yeah.
Why has it got two aerials?
This one here and that one there. It's a very good question. Because I imagine in there is a servo.
Servo's underneath it.
Yeah. And in that one it must be the receiver. But why does the servo need an aerial?
Well, it doesn't. It's probably an either or situation. 3S battery.
Yeah.
Again, their stuff's really good in it. You know, that's nice. Yeah,
3S.
Yeah.
So we've got oil-filled shocks, adjustable.
Yeah.
So therefore you can adjust the ride height there. We've got adjustable turnbuckles for the steering. There's another adjustable turnbuckle there on the servo.
Now, their last car, we actually took to an indoor skate park and we ragged the absolute daylights out of it and absolutely nothing broke. So it's not normally something we would
hammered
do.
that.
You know, not something we
Well, I
normally do.
think we need to take these to the track in the woods, don't we?
We do, really.
Maybe we need to do a proper rally event at the track in the woods.
We've said
Look
it
at the
before.
bottom of that, it's beautiful. It's so nice.
Their attention to detail. It says Rlaarlo on the tyres, on a tyre tread. If you look really carefully, it says Rlaarlo.
Oh, yeah.
And the thing is with these Rlaarlo cars, when you inspect it and you just take your time,
You
to
just
have
delve a
look,
little bit deeper, don't you?
their attention to detail is seriously on point. It's really, really good.
Now,
What?
the batteries are quite small. Now, I think, because I like my Rlaarlo cars, I think if we could have a bit where you could run what we consider to be normal batteries in there, it opens up a little bit more competition.
I think
don't
you
it?
could get. I think you could get a 2S in that.
You
A
reckon?
short-
I don't know. It's quite narrow.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah.
I think that's the only thing. Their batteries are slightly different to what most
are.
other cars of this platform run. So obviously you can run the shorty packs that we do, or the sort of stick packs.
In some of the other cars, you've actually been able to take bits out and manage it that way.
Yeah.
But doesn't look like you can do it on that one. No. Might be wrong. Don't know. They're missing a bit of a trick there, I think, really. But
Yeah.
nevertheless, fantastic looking car, to be fair.
Do you know what?
What?
I'm bored of talking about it. I want to take it racing.
All right.
I actually want to take it racing, boss. I'm not messing. Racing.
Yeah.
On a racetrack.
Okay.
In
Why
fact,
don't we do that then?
should we take it now?
Yeah, come on then. So we thought we'd bring the new Rlaarlo car racing, give it a little go. It is obviously not made for this, really. Hence the reason it just kind of tipped over, because it's the ride height's mega on it, because obviously it's made for going outside, isn't it? But of course, if you lower it, if you spend time on these cars, you get them dialed in. First night we brought it out, and it's pretty fun. So yeah, it looks good. Probably be better if I was driving it, you know it is. We've got to let him have his go though, haven't we? So there it is, the Rlaarlo Rally car. 1/10 this one, the other one's obviously it's a little bit bigger than 1/10 actually. One I've got. He's getting used to it now. It's actually looking reasonable. Straight line through there. Very nice.
Yeah.